So, your LG TV won't turn on, and the red light just keeps blinking at you. You've mashed the remote, you've said a few choice words, but nothing changes. Before you decide your TV is officially toast, let me walk you through a few quick things you can try. Most of them don't even need a screwdriver. First, here's the fix that honestly works for a ton of people. Sometimes a blinking red light just means your LG TV is updating itself. Normally that should only take a few minutes, but if it's been blinking for over 10 minutes, the update might be stuck in a loop. Here's what you do. Unplug the TV from the wall. Now, press and hold the physical power button on the TV, not the remote, for at least 15 seconds. After that, leave the TV unplugged for 30 minutes. This gives it time to fully discharge any leftover power. Once your timer's up, plug it straight back into the wall and try turning it on. For a lot of people, that's all it takes to get things working again. But what if the red light is still blinking? Don't worry, we're not done yet. One of the most common hidden causes is actually a bad HDMI connection, or a device sending weird signals that stops the TV from booting. Unplug every single HDMI cable from the TV. Game consoles, streaming sticks, cable boxes, everything goes. Now try powering up the TV using the button on the TV itself. If it works, your issue is likely with HDMI CEC, which LG calls Simplink. Once the TV's on, head to Settings, then General, then Simplink, and switch it off. Reconnect your devices one at a time to pinpoint what's causing the problem. If you've only been using the remote this whole time, try this. Take the batteries out, or better yet, take the remote into another room. Now, press the TV's power button. If it starts up, your remote was probably the culprit. Swap in some new batteries, or get a replacement if you need to. Unstable power is another sneaky cause. If your TV is plugged into a surge protector or a smart plug, try plugging it directly into a wall outlet. If possible, switch to a different socket. Double check by plugging in another device, like a lamp, to make sure the outlet actually works. Don't forget to inspect the power cable. Look for cuts, bends, burn marks, or loose connectors. If you have a spare power cable that fits, try it. And peek at the TV's power port for dust or corrosion. A poor connection there can kill the power flow. Now, if you've tried all of this and your red light is still blinking, it might be a hardware issue, like a bad power board or main board. If your TV's under warranty, contact LG support. If it's out of warranty, a technician can help. Never open the back yourself unless you're confident, and always unplug the TV first. There's a real shock risk. If this guide helped, hit subscribe for more easy TV fixes. I'll catch you in the next one.